Previously, I compared two music streamers, the Andover Songbird and Audioengine B5. I focused on the physical design and shared my thoughts on them. However, I omitted one key aspect they have in common, the app. Let's begin with the App Store. First, the Audioengine app. Now, the Songbird app. Did you notice anything interesting? The apps look remarkably similar. I'll come back to that. Let me give you a taste of the general setup for the app. In a minute, I'll tell you which app this is. When you first open the app, it will search your network for the hardware streamer. Your phone and the streamer must be on the same network. You can confirm this in your phone's Wi-Fi settings. For reference, this is an iPhone. The app will prompt you to select a network. These devices only operate on a 2.4G network. You 5G monsters can stop bragging for approximately 2.4 minutes. You should get connecting status screens during the process. A connection should be found within a minute or two. If not, you probably have a network configuration issue to resolve. Here's the surprise. This is the Songbird app. But once you have the app configured with your network, it recognizes either music streamer. You could use either app and it would likely operate either device. You can also initiate a hardware update from the app. The app should not be considered in your choice of streamer. Both devices are good in my experience. In fact, I soon discovered I could avoid using the app altogether. I use Deezer for music streaming, and it's not currently one of the services supported in the app. I stream music over AirPlay, usually without issue. Podcasts also stream over AirPlay just fine. Supported streaming services can be launched and controlled from the app. Although Spotify must be launched first from the Spotify app. You can control it from either. That's a quick look at the app for Andover and Audioengine. This is part of a series of videos on this channel that relate to whole home audio, also known as distributed audio. Share this video with anybody who needs insight into this often daunting world. Thanks for watching.